So let's name the variables first. So in this problem, there are three things that are varying. So first, the distance from car A to the intersection is decreasing, so we name it X. The second thing, the car B to intersection, that's decreasing, so we name it Y. And the last, the distance between car A and the car B, that's changing, so we name it Z. So actually three variables this time. Now let's check the condition. The first 50 miles per hour is the rate of car A, which is the rate of x. So dx over dt is equal to negative 50 because it's decreasing, so it's negative. And second, 60 miles per hour is the distance between B and Y is decreasing at 60. So dy over dt is equal to negative 60. And what you're looking for is the rate of the distance between A and B. So you're looking for dz over dt. That's the thing you're looking for when, at the moment, when x is 0.3 and y is 0.4. Okay, so at that moment, the rate of z. So now we are ready to set up the equation involve all the variables x, y, and z. And we find they are the three sides of a right triangle, so you can set up an equation x squared plus y squared equals to z squared. Next, we take the derivative of both sides with respect to t. So d over dt of the left hand side is equal to d over dt of the right hand side. So we use chain rule to every term. The derivative of x squared is 2x times dx over dt. And the derivative of y squared is 2y times dy over dt. And the derivative of z squared is 2z dz over dt. Chain rule to every term. So now let's try to plug inside everything to see if we're ready. So we know x is 0.3 and dx over dt is negative 50. Give me the print, please. Okay. 2 times y is 0.4 and dy over dt is negative 60. So the left hand side is all known. The only thing we don't know is the right hand side, 2 times, and dz over dt is the term we're looking for. So the only thing we don't know at this moment is z. If we are able to find that z, then everything is known except dz over dt. So how to find z? Again, we know x, y, z, they are related. So if x is 0.3, y is 0.4, you can use this equation to find z. So we can put 0.3 and 0.4 into the Pythagorean theorem equation. You get 0.3 square plus 0.4 square equals to z square. So you get z is actually 0.5 because 345 is a right triangle. So now once you get z, you can put that into the equation we already know. So z is 0.5. Now, nicely in this equation we have everything. So you put the left-hand side into the calculator. You get that's actually negative 78. And the right-hand side is 2 times 0.5 is 1 times dz over dt. So finally, you get dz over dt, which is the rate of the distance between two cars, is negative 78 mile per hour. So negative because it's decreasing, and it makes sense. So that's it.